Hello guys, welcome to JT Automobile Specialist today, and in this episode I will show you how to change the engine oil and how to reset the service light. So first of all you need to do, you need a engine oil 5W30, an oil filter, then you need a car creeper to go underneath the car, then you need a big jack. You can also use the ramp instead, but jack is easier for me. So if you look up here, there's a space where you can put your jack in. And then lift up your jack. Make sure you put up in the right place so you don't damage anything. Okay, so I'll lift my car up now, and after that I'll go underneath the car and I'll show you what to do. Okay, the 4 bolts on 4 corners. You need a 13mm socket, one at this corner, 2 ones on that back, ones on this side back. So with 13mm socket you need to open these 4 big bolts. Okay, once you remove all the bolts, this shape will come off. After that you need a 19mm socket. That's the sump plug. You need to open this sump plug, and you need a ratchet set for this. Okay, so first of all you need to open this sump plug, and when you lose it, make sure you should have a tray with you. Okay, there you go. That's all you need to do, and the oil start coming up. Now you need to open the and there are about 4 hooks on 4 corners. And now I've got the oil filter need to change, which is down here. So to open the filter I need a 32mm socket, and I'm gonna put on the filter. So that's how you need to open it up, and once they're released, take the filter out. So this is what your filters look like, and now I'm going to put the new filter on it, and I'll show you how to do. What you need to do now, that's the filter. You need to push down, and that's it. And now there are 3 seals on the filter, the filter hose. So to change them, so there's one here, one up here, one is up here. So all you need to do is you need a flat screwdriver and push it gently. The first seal comes off, and now same with the second one. And now same with the third one. The reason we change these seals every time because we don't want any leakage, because when the engine is running there's too much pressure inside. So if you don't change the seals, so you might start getting leakage later on. So the seals come with the filter. Whenever you buy a filter, the seal comes with it. So before you put the seals on, make sure you clean it properly. You can take any clothes, you can take a tissue paper, whichever is easier for you. There are the new seals. Same. There's a hole, as you can see. That's the place where you put your seal on. That's it. Now we need to put the second one on. Same again, you need to push it down into the line. That's it. And now we need a third one. There you go. All three seals are back on. And now we need to put this filter. So we need to make sure the both filters are the same. They are the same size. And there are two sides, so make sure this side should go on the top. There's a one plank, there's one with the holes, so whole side should go on the top. So now I'm going to put filter back on. So before you put the filter back on, so make sure you clean the hole with any clothes or with any corners. So just clean it up with the tissue paper. You can. So now you need to put the filter back in. So I'm going to use the same socket again to tighten it up. So that's it. To tighten up. Use the ratchet set. That's it. The engine oil back in. Make sure you have to put all 5 liter, because this is 2 liter diesel and it takes 5 liter oil inside. And that's it. There you go. Just put the lid back on and you've done your job. So put back the engine cover back on. There are 4 corners, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 on the front. Pull nicely. There you go. Okay, so after changing the engine oil, all you need to do, you need to come inside, start the engine, and go to the menu. This will come up in front of your screen. Then press this button, go into the system. When you go into the system, then scroll this down, services and check, and then on the second one you can see the oil level. Okay, as this car do not have a dipstick, so when you need to check the oil level, you need to press on oil level. Okay, so it will tell you your oil level. So as you can see, my oil level is on maximum, is full, and so I can go back and after that I can do the service reset. And third one, the service intervals. Click on that and it says next oil change and next service. So because I did only oil change today, so I'll reset the oil. I'll scroll it down, then I'll press reset oil. It is asking me, do you really want to reset the oil change? Press yes. There you go. And now next service oil change due is after 9,300 mile. So that's all it is. And if you want to reset the service light, which is more due in my car after 31,000, that's the major service one. So for that you can't do it manually. You need to plug in the computer, and then you can choose whether after 18,000 mile or after 40,000 mile. So when I did last time, I choose for after 40,000 miles one. So I hope you guys found your answer today in this video. So in the next video I'll show you how to change the brake pads in this car. Till that time, wait. And if you like this video today, so share it with your friends. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.